Here you can see that the user interface has been created for the Pascal triangle for task 1. First of all, I have used a label to display the Pascal triangle. Then I have used this label for n. Here is the input field to get the user input to define the number of rows. Okay, here is the push button named as fill. Here is the table widget to view the triangle. I have gotten this table widget here. Okay, we can use this table widget to display the data in the form of a table. Further, if we notice this input field button and this table widget are very important to define their name, because we will use these name to implement the logic in the code. Here is the input I have defined as an input fill button, and similarly Pascal triangle as output table means it will be used to show the Pascal triangle defined by the given rows. Now if we move to the code, here is the code. You can see that first of all I have imported my user interface for the Pascal. Then I have linked the button. After that, I have written the code to validate the input to define if it is a non-negative integer or not. Then there is the code to generate the triangle. Okay, then the this code will be used to calculate the Pascal triangle with the help of the array. First of all, there is an empty array for the triangle. Then there is the logic for the calculation of the triangle. If we see here, in each row there will be added one, okay, as per the condition. Similarly, there is the other conditions. Then I have written this code to display the triangle on the table widget. Okay, so this code will get the calculated triangle, and then it will display the triangle for the user interface. Here is the main code to run the application. Okay, in this way the application will work. Let us test the application. I'm running the application. First of all, I am going to check the validation. First, I am not going to put anything and clicking on fill button. You can see that there is a pop-up message showing please enter non-negative integer. Okay, now if I am going to test by putting 5, clicking on fill, here you can see that Pascal triangle has been created with the 5 rows and 5 columns, and the starting and ending numbers are 1. Okay, now moving next, I'm giving 6. Now you can see here are 6 rows and 6 columns. Then let's try 7. Here you can see here are 7 rows and 7 columns. So the application is working completely fine. In this way, we can build the logic in Qt5 Designer and implement the Python code in Thony to build the applications. Okay.